the stock market is rigged. But if you were using Rigged AI trading Tesla today, April 5th, 2024, you crushed it. These two bouncing bears, 10 contracts, you're turning $1,022 into $5,024 at the end of the session. Absolutely beautiful. Shout out to Sister V. $7,000 in a day. Have a day. Killed it. Crushed it. Congratulations. Have a beer for us tonight. But let's look at Tesla. We open up. Nothing's happening, right? This is a little ping pong, bing bong. And remember, trading options, all about the strike prices, the red lines you see on our charts. If you're not using rigged, draw the lines on your own charts. I mean, look how clear this is. Where do we bounce? At the 167.50 strike. Where do we stop? 170. Oh, we're going above 170. Nope. So at this point in the day, we're not really paying attention. Volume's dropping off. When we are paying attention is right here, 11:15. Rigged AI sends you the tradability notification. Full send. That means lock into the name, whatever symbol it is. It doesn't really matter. Whether you're familiar with trading it or not, full send means lock in. It means trend or perfect tags. Trend is when we move in one direction the entire day. Perfect tags is when you get bulls on the bottom and a big move up, or bears at the top and a big move down. So tradability fires off right here, 11:15. And this is after the fake news media broke whatever story. Right here. We don't like it. Because why? It's just a big nuke. Who knows what's going to happen? Is it going to go lower than 3? This is basically 3 strikes right here. What happens? What happens? What happens? Quick rip up. How does this do? I mean, you get 174% up here. But you would get in, get out. Not really interested in chasing this move lower. But the cool thing is, now we can click here and go to bulls only. This is what I mean by perfect tags. This is a perfect tag. Can't pull it up. Let's see. Let's scroll down and find it. What time is this thing? 11:34. So 11:15, right here, we get the tradability notification. Like, okay, this thing is just nuked. Let's see what happens. It gets to the strike. It comes back down. It goes below 3 strikes, 3-strike rule, and then rockets up. Perfect tag. 11:35. It's 11:33. You're getting 235% in an hour. That's great. That's amazing. And as long as you know, and I mean, you can look at the strategy right here. We're telling you, caution, 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 caution. As long as you recognize, look at the bears, that when we get down here, you have just moved from 170 at 11 to 161, 34 minutes. You gotta be afraid. Gotta be afraid it's gonna turn around. And that's exactly what happens. I mean, you get the move back up, 2 strikes. And this is kind of what I mean by perfect tags, right? We go back, we look at the bulls. That's a perfect tag. We're not really interested in bears down here. Why? Because we're so low. Scroll back up, look at everything. Come back up, you get this. But really, this is not the best. These are not the best alerts of the session. This is, craziness. This is a really good one down here, worth hitting. And if you remember in yesterday's video, what did I talk about? What did I say? If you are in a swing trade or a reversal in 0 DTE options, it goes so fast that you can't even do anything else. It's like you're shocked. You can't sell it fast enough or you sell it too early. And this is what I'm talking about. This is one candle where you're getting a full strike. $2.50. 1, 2, 3 minutes. This is 3 minutes. 4 minutes, basically. If it's going to go, it goes. And that's what it looks like. And that's what it feels like. The rest of this time, right, it's just grinding up. And you can be in this trade, right? We could take this one right here, this bull right here. Why? Because we went up really quickly. 2 strikes. You come down a strike. I mean, strikes are the only thing that matter on Fridays for stock flow. And then you get this one, 148%. What's not to love? Go back to the full view. So we go back up, we're going up. You know, this one, definitely be worth taking, worth trading. Score's a little small. It makes money down here. But like, it's at the strike. You can take it, trade it. I mean, trade it every time. You don't win on this one, like, it's fine, right? You lose on the trade, get out of it. But look what happens next. So, strikes, blue line. Look at rigged. Look at this. This is a perfect tag. This is, I mean, it doesn't get better. I mean, look at this. This is coming right at the blue line. You know, it's not the high of the day, but it is the high after the rally. And it is never higher than this the rest of the session. Right? It's the highest point, 1,300 on. Never in drawdown, only making money. And I mean, you're getting 600%. Coming down, boom. Big old bear. 804 score, $800,000 in bearish premium, 357%. So, right, the view is coming back and like putting it all into practice. Tradability, 11:15 right here. All right, we're going to watch Tesla. We're going to watch it. I mean, if you wanted to try the swing up, starts going back down, get out, break even, whatever. I mean, these bears here in the middle, whoo, it's nasty. And that is nasty looking. Look at that. Take the swing when it goes up. But you're seeing the white line, right? Volume keeps going up, 223%. That is tradability. That is full send mode. And what did we get? Not really sure you would call this a trend day because, we had the event of them not making cheaper cars or whatever to compete in China. But look, perfect tag. I mean, this is a perfect tag for 600%. It is a perfect tag because there's never a drawdown. It is in profit from the time that you buy it until the time you sell. And if you hold that thing until the end, 1,300, you're still getting 4x. 600% in 2 hours, 4x. Max drawdown 0% in 2 minutes. It's a perfect option alert. And that's what we want, and that's what we expect to see happen when tradability is in full send mode. Doesn't always happen for Tesla, especially not recently, but that's using rigged. Rigged is designed so you can copy Wall Street's trades. And when you see tradability in full send, it means Wall Street is active in the market. They're actively trading the living bejesus out of Tesla options that expire today. Do you want to be on the opposite side? No. Do you want to look at flow and try and analyze it and make it as... Who's got time for that? This is a bear at the blue after we just moved up. This is a bear right at the strike. Bing, bang, boom. This trade's also a perfect tag. Why? Because it's never in drawdown. It never goes higher than right here. That's tradability. That's full send. This is what it's about, people. Got to crush it on days like today when we have full send mode, tradability. Absolutely beautiful. Got some more videos coming out. Stay frosty. And remember, you can see all of this on our website. Click the link, get a free account, or join us. $20 for 20 days. I mean, you lock in full send, you take this one. I mean, even if you buy 2 contracts, right? And we go DHR. If you traded those, boop, 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 $400 and you're turning it into 1,507. That's a year. That's a year in one session. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Have a great day. More videos coming out. Subscribe to the channel so you can watch all of it. The stock market is rigged.